Good morning. You're at the Roaches first thing in the morning. I'm having my coffee and I'm going to make some gluten-free waffles. So let me take my first sip and I'll show you how easy this is. So we're going to start with 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. You got to make sure it's really nice and soft or it won't blend properly. So there we go. We'll throw that in. And how I softened this, I just put it in the microwave. And we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You can use a coconut oil if you'd like. So there's 2 tablespoons. We are going to put in 4 eggs. These are farm fresh eggs, right from Leanne. Thank you, Leanne. And there we go with the 4 eggs. That buzzing is that my waffle maker is ready to go. And then we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of almond flour. So that's a 1/4 cup. And there's my 1/2 cup. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's a 1/2 teaspoon, and there's another 1/2. Okay, and we'll get this going, and then I'll throw in the vanilla. So let's see here. Get everything off the, there's my lid, here's my lid. Throw this on, and it's gonna make a lot of noise. See how it's coming here? I'm gonna clean off the sides. And I'm gonna add my vanilla, just a splash, teaspoon or so. Doesn't matter with vanilla, I love the flavor of it, so even if I accidentally spilled more in, I'd be fine. So we're gonna whip this up one more time. So I'm not adding any sugar to this. You could, if you want to keep it keto friendly, you could put urethral in it. Did I say that right? Whatever. and that would keep it keto, or you could put a little bit of sugar in, but it doesn't need it, or honey. Even a little bit of orange zest would be nice in here too. If you wanted to keep it for dessert, add a little lemon zest and then put your fresh strawberries on it with some whipping cream and some ice cream. Let's see if this is ready. Beautifully browned. There we go. Perfect. There's your perfect keto-free, oops, it's hot, gluten-free keto pancake. So the blueberry compote is just simmering away. I added a little bit of ground cinnamon in it to give it a little flavor. You could also add some orange zest or lemon zest. Some ginger might be nice in it too, fresh ginger. So there you go. There's a compote ready to pour on your pancake.